Let's take a look at the lesson, How to Make a Number, Values up to 100. It says, choose the best answer. How do you make 13? We're given multiple expressions, and we need to find which one makes 13. First, I see 7 plus 7. Well, I recognize 7 plus 7 as one of my doubles. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 14 is more than 13, so this one is not the right option. Here I see 8 plus 7. Well, if 7 plus 7 is 14, 8 plus 7 will be one more than 14 because 8 is one more than 7. So one more than 14 is 15. That one is still too high. Here we have 7 plus 6. Well, like I said over here, I know 7 plus 7 is 14, so 7 plus 6 will be one less than 14, and that is 13. That's the number we're looking for. All right, let's check our last one, 8 plus 6. Well, I know if 7 plus 6 is 13, 8 plus 6 is one more than that, which is 14. So 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. The next one says, how do you make 11? I see 5 plus 7 as one of the options, so let's draw a picture for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That number is too large, so it is not this option. Here I see 8 plus 5. Well, if 7 plus 5 is 12, 8 plus 5 is just one more. 13. All right, now I see we have 8 plus 4. Well, 8 plus 5 was 13. So 8 plus 4 is just one less than that because 4 is one less than 5. So that is 12. And here we have 7 plus 4. Well, if 8 plus 4 was 12, 7 plus 4 would be one less than 12 because 7 is one less than 8. 7 plus 4 is 11. So this is our correct choice. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Next, they ask, how do you make 10? Here we have 1 plus 9. I could draw 9 dots and then draw one more. Or I could think, I have 9. What is the next number after 9? Yeah, 10. It is one more than 9. Great, and that is the number we're looking for. Let's double check the others. 10 plus 1. Well, I know 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 must be 11. 10 plus 2 is 12. And 9 plus 2, let's see if we have 9, we add 2 more, we would say 10, 11. So 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So how do we make 10? 1 plus 9. Now they want to know, how do you make 11? Here we have 9 plus 2. Let's start with our first number and count on 2 more. So we say 9, 10, 11. Ah, this makes 11. Let's try it with this one. We have 10 plus 3 more, so let's draw 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. And we can say 10, 11, 12, 13. Ah, so it is 13. Here we have 9 plus 3, so let's draw 3 dots. We say 9, 10, 11, 12. Notice I said 9 plus 3 rather than 3 plus 9. It doesn't matter which order we add these numbers together. They will still give us the same sum. All right, now we have 10 plus 2. So I will draw 2 dots. I'll start at 10 and count on 11, 12. Great, so how did we make 11? 9 plus 2. Now they ask, how do you make 10? Well, here we have 2 plus 10. And I know if we're adding something to 10, that's already going to be more than 10, so it's not this one. Same with this. If we have 10 and we're already adding more, it's not going to be that one. let's look at this one, 9 plus 2. Well, if I start with 9 and count on 2 more, 9, 10, 11. What about here? If I have 9 and I count on 1 more, it would be 9, 10. Ah, this is how we make 10. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. It says, how do you make 9? I see that we have 2 plus 9. That's definitely going to be more than 9 because we're adding to 9, so it's not this one. 9 plus 1 is the same thing. We already have 9. If we add more to it, we're definitely not going to end up with 9. Here I see 8 plus 1. What is 1 more than 8? Yeah, 9. Good, so this is most likely it. Let's check the next one. 8 plus 2. So we have 8, 9, 10. Ah, yep, this one's too much. So 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. How do you make 15? Here I have 11 plus 6. Well, I'll start with 11 and count on 6 more. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I start with 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, if 11 plus 6 is 17, I know that 10 plus 6 is 1 less than that, so it would be 16. Here we have 11 plus 5. Let's count on 5 more. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And here we have 10 plus 5. Well, if 11 plus 5 was 16, 10 plus 5 would be 1 less than that, which is 15. And that's the number we were looking for. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. How do you make 7? Here we have 5 plus 3, so let's draw 3 dots. Start with our larger number, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Here we have 6 plus 2. Let's draw 2 dots. Start with our largest number, 6, 7, 8. This one is 8 also. All right, so if we have 6 plus 2, and that is 8, 5 plus 2, or 2 plus 5, would be just 1 less, which is 7. And then we have 3 plus 6. So if we have 6 and we count on 3 more, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which one was equal to 7? Yes, 2 plus 5. How do you make 5? I see we have 4 plus 2. 4, 5, 6. Not this one. Here we have 3, 4, 5. Ah, that's how we make 5. Let's check the others too. 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3. So we start with 4 and we say 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's equal to 7. 3 plus 3 is 1 less than 4 plus 3. So the answer will be 1 less. The answer is 6. So we made 5 by using 2 plus 3. Next, it asks us, how do you make 11? Here we have 7 plus 5. Let's make 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start with 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Well, if 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, 4 plus 7 would be 1 less because 4 is 1 less than 5. Remember, it does not matter which order we add these. So 1 less than 12 is 11. If 7 plus 4 is 11, 8 plus 4 will be 1 more because 8 is 1 more than 7. So 8 plus 4 is 12. And if 8 plus 4 is 12, 8 plus 5 would be 1 more than that because 5 is 1 more than 4. 1 more than 12 is 13. So how did we make 11? 7 plus 4. Great work, my friends.